Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's topic is about homemade natural sunscreen recipes. So we want to be natural and healthy. Well, here are few steps we had to make along with this homemade DIY journey. Homemade natural sunscreen is a big one, and making these homemade natural sunscreen recipes is easy. So let's start the video. So before proceeding to our video, I am going to share with you natural oils with SPF ranges. These combined can go a long way in protecting your skin. I put on shea butter daily, but it is not enough to protect me from getting burned. But I am finding that a combination of following makes a huge difference. So I have included links in the description box, so if you want, then you check it out. Firstly, that is shea butter, and it includes approximately SPF 5 to 6. Next one is coconut oil, including approximately SPF 6 to 10, avocado oil including SPF 4 to 8 approximately, and carrot seed essential oil including SPF 28 to 40, and myrrh essential oil including SPF 15. So let's move to our recipes. So firstly we need some ingredients. For that we need half cup shea butter, 1/3 cup of coconut oil that is melted, and 15 drops of carrot seed essential oil, and 10 drops of myrrh essential oil, and 2 tablespoons of zinc oxide, but it is optional. So if you are using zinc oxide, then your SPF will be about 40 plus, and without zinc oxide it will be around 20 to 30. So measure ingredients carefully because a little variance can make a big difference. For preparation, wipe raw shea butter until creamy. Slowly add melted coconut oil while wiping. Add essential oils, and if you are adding zinc oxide, then do not inhale. And wipe all the ingredients well until you got a fluffy texture of the sunscreen. So that's all. You can also just create an oil to put it on your skin. For that we need half cup fractioned coconut oil, 10 drops of myrrh essential oil. You can add up to 40 drops for higher SPF. 5 drops of carrot seed essential oil. For preparation, combine all the ingredients and keep in amber jar. Apply all over your exposed skin and reapply often. Instead of white lotion, this create more of an oil. For that we need some ingredients: 1/4 cup avocado oil, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup beef wax, 1/4 cup shea butter, 10 drops of myrrh essential oil, 15 drops of carrot seed essential oil, and take 2 tablespoons of zinc oxide, but it is optional. You can add more myrrh instead, up to 40 drops for higher SPF. For preparation, use a double boiler or place ingredients in a glass bowl or mason jar in or over water in a saucepan. Add avocado oil, coconut oil and beef wax to container. Stir on low heat until all the ingredients are melted. Remove from heat and add shea butter and essential oils. Stir until shea is melted. Do not add before or heat will make shea grainy. If you are adding zinc oxide, add now and whisk until there are no clumps. Transfer to storage container. For that we need few ingredients: 1 cup aloe vera juice, 1/4 cup avocado oil, 15 drops of carrot seed essential oil, 10 drops of myrrh essential oil. all the ingredients to a spray bottle and shake before each use. It is quite simple and easy to use. So that's it for today. I hope it is helpful for you. If you have any queries or you want to know anything about the recipes, then comment below in the comment box. For such DIY homemade remedies and beauty and makeup tips, visit the link in description box and visit my website. So thank you very much. Take care. Have a good day. See you soon. Bye bye.